This is the first part of our press conference, which will be English, Bangla, Hindi, very short. Then we will start the second part of our press conference. If you have any questions regarding the first part, then you please address it now. Then we will start a second part. So here we go. So on behalf of the All India Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party, we have a very, very important announcement to make on behalf of Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, myself, Kalyan Bandyopadhyay and Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, and all members of the Trinamool Congress, members of Parliament who were present yesterday at our parliamentary party meeting. There, one important resolution was proposed. It was proposed by the floor leader of the Lok Sabha, Sudeep Da, and the floor leader of the Rajya Sabha, myself, and then unanimously adopted and signed by all the members of Parliament of Trinamool. Some of the members were out of station. They too will come and sign this on Monday when they come. What is that? The All India Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party have unanimously adopted a resolution whereby Mamata Banerjee is the chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party. She is the chairperson of All India Trinamool Congress. Is, was, forever shall be. But this is the chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party, effective yesterday. এই ঘোষণাটা বাংলায় এবং হিন্দিতে ফর দ্য রেকর্ড সুদীপ দা নেই, কল্যাণ দা নেই, বাট আমরা চারজন মিলে করছি। সুখেন্দু দা প্লিজ।
যে কথা আমাদের দলের পক্ষ থেকে শ্রী ডেরেক ওব্রায়েন আপনাদের কাছে বললেন যে গতকাল তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের সংসদীয় কমিটির যে একটি বৈঠক হয়েছিল, সেই বৈঠকে সর্বসম্মতিক্রমে একটি প্রস্তাব গ্রহণ করা হয়েছে এবং আমরা খুব আনন্দিত এবং গর্ববোধ করছি যে সমস্ত সদস্য মিলে ঐক্যবদ্ধভাবে তারা সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছেন যে এখন থেকে যেমন শ্রীমতী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় আমাদের দলের সভানেত্রী রয়েছেন, একইভাবে আমাদের আমাদের সর্বভারতীয় তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের যে সংসদীয় কমিটি, সেই সংসদীয় কমিটির চেয়ারপারসনের দায়িত্ব তার হাতে অর্পণ করা হলো। কোনো সদস্য সেই সভায় উপস্থিত থাকতে পারেননি, তাদের সঙ্গে আমাদের ফোনে কথা হয়েছে, সোমবার দিন আসবেন এবং সোমবার দিনের রেজলিউশনে তারাও স্বাক্ষর করবেন।
দাদা একটু হিন্দিতে বলে দেবেন।
आपको ये कहते हुए हमें प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि हमारे नेत्री सुश्री ममता बनर्जी जैसी कि पार्टी का अलकमान है, हमारा पार्टी का नेत्री है ऑल इंडिया कमेटी का। तो पिछले काल हम लोग जो मेंबर है लोकसभा और राज्यसभा का तृणमूल का, हम लोगों का जो संसदीय कमेटी का मीटिंग हुई थी, उस मीटिंग में ये निर्णय लिया गया था सर्वसम्मति से कि सुश्री ममता बनर्जी जैसे कि हमारा पार्टी का चेयरपर्सन है, उसी तरह हमारे पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी का भी वो चेयरपर्सन बनेगी और इसका ये प्रस्ताव सर्वसम्मति से पास हो चुकी है। जो लोग कल के मीटिंग में नहीं रह पाए उनके साथ हम लोगों का फोन पर बात हो गया, सभी ने इसको सपोर्ट किया और जो लोग नहीं आ पाए सोमवार आ रहे हैं, ये सिग्नेचर हो जाएगी।
Thank you. Yes. If there are any questions on this issue, we will happily answer. Just please identify yourself and then close up. Just be a little louder, please. Maushami from the print.
So I just want to ask you, what does it mean in effect? As in, what will happen after this?
Just a supplementary, Ogni from Anandabajar Putrika.
Ogni from Anandabajar Putrika.
What is the political justification of it? What is the political reasoning of this decision?
Yes.
And
So,
please clarify.
is it to do with this?
Yeah, at the time.
Yes.
Reply will be at the time.
Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.
Yeah, just to add to this, is it now you are following the same Congress tradition like Sonia Gandhi
I
became the
don't know
chairperson?
now you'll ask us about the all fine. Question is fine. Let us give you the simple answer. Let us give you the simple answer, the factual answer. You see, this is the reality which we are only formalizing, because our chairperson is a 7-time member of parliament. She in any case has the vision and the feel to guide the parliamentary party. She was doing it, frankly, at least from the time I've been here, 2011, and before that 2009. You know, so it is just formalizing, because she has the experience, she has the insight, she has the vision. So we were taking all this guidance. So since we were taking all this guidance, and there are two levels to this. One is at a conceptual level, and the second is at a strategic and a tactical level. In all parts. She was only a WhatsApp away, Pegasus notwithstanding, or a signal away, or a call away. So this is what is formalized. I think we feel also more empowered and more strengthened that this has now been formalized. Okay. Now what other political parties have in their
We have nothing to do.
yeah, what they have in their constitution or what they don't have, we respect all political parties and their view. Righto. Does that answer your question? এটা আমরা বাংলায় বলা উচিত। এই প্রশ্নটা যেটা জিজ্ঞেস করেছে
বুঝে নিয়েছে সবাই।
একটু
আর দরকার?
হ্যাঁ একটু বলবেন, এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট।
আপনাদের প্রশ্নের উত্তর যে কথাই এইমাত্র ইংরেজিতে বলা হলো তার বাংলায় আমি বলে দিচ্ছি যে শ্রীমতী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় তিনি 7 বারের লোকসভার সদস্য, বিভিন্ন দপ্তরের মন্ত্রীও ছিলেন এবং 3 বার উপর্যুপরি 3 বার তিনি বাংলার মুখ্যমন্ত্রী হিসেবে নির্বাচিত হয়েছেন। তার এই যে বিপুল অভিজ্ঞতা সংসদীয় ব্যাপারে, প্রশাসনিক কাজে, এই অভিজ্ঞতাটা আমরা আগামী দিনে সংসদের দুটো সভাতেই কাজে লাগাতে চাই। তিনি আলোকবর্তিকার মতো আমাদের সামনে শুধু রয়েছেন তা নয়, ভারতবর্ষের নিপীড়িত জনগণের কাছে তিনি লাইট হাউস। সেই লাইট হাউসকে আমরা সংসদের কাজেও ব্যবহার করতে চাই, তাই তাকে আমরা এই আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়েছি এই পদ গ্রহণ করার জন্য।
Okay, thank you. So that ends our first part of our press conference. Now we begin the second part of our press conference. We will have a short, some introductory remarks. Yeah. So today's press conference, I'd also like to introduce you to my colleague from Rajya Sabha, Dr. Shantanu Sen, who is the former president of the Indian Medical Association. He's a renowned public servant as well as a physician, radiologist, and in his career, he's also had the good fortune and the privilege of being a frontline COVID warrior, especially obviously in the last 1 year. And after this press conference, which I will address briefly in English, and then Shukhendu Da will address in Bengali and in Hindi and in English as all three and more. Then Shukhendu Da and I will take some questions, and that's the end of the press conference. However, after the press conference, since we have somebody who is a COVID warrior and he's here as a doctor, he's come up with a very simple idea that for the next 45 minutes after we do the press conference, he will sit inside as he does in his chamber in Calcutta. If any one of you would like to have yourselves medically examined, either your blood pressure or your this or whatever that, he will do it as a goodwill gesture. Thank you for that, Shantanu. Right. So as far as the All India Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party goes, we were very focused One, I'll just make some quick points. One, like the other opposition parties, All India Trinamool Congress wants Parliament to function. We want Parliament to run. One. Two, we want 3 or 4 key issues to be discussed, deliberated in Parliament. 2A, what are those issues? Spyware, military spyware, attacking Indian citizens as if they were terrorists, attacking judiciary, attacking BJP's opponents, attacking other people in the media, and worst of all, attacking your own party people also. Imagine what level you have to stoop to do that. Once 2C, farmers, very simple. Trinamool Congress, 2 members. Congress Party, 3 members. Left parties, 2 members. We were all suspended with the farmer bills. We want the repeal of those bills, and they have to be structured discussions in Parliament. If the government is in a mood to have discussions in Parliament, they have to follow certain parliamentary norms and procedures. Like, as we will go through the morning's incidents, and Shukhendu Da will take it from here and discuss in more detail as to the proceedings in Parliament today and the future plans.
আপনারা শুনলেন যে আমাদের রাজ্যসভাতে আমরা চাই, লোকসভাতেও চাই যে সংসদে আলোচনা হোক, সংসদ চলুক, যাতে জনসাধারণের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়গুলো ভালোভাবে সরকারের নজরে আনা যায়, দেশের নজরে আনা যায়, সমাধানের পথ খুঁজে পাওয়া যায়। দুর্ভাগ্যের এবং এর মধ্যে সবচেয়ে বেশি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয় এই মুহূর্তে কোনটি, যে পেগাসাস একটা মিলিটারি সফটওয়্যার, যেটা ইসরায়েলের এনএসও সরকারের সঙ্গেই একমাত্র লেনদেন করে, কোনো বেসরকারি সংস্থার সঙ্গে লেনদেন করে না। তাই বিভিন্ন মহলে যে অভিযোগগুলো উঠেছে সেগুলো উচ্চ পর্যায়ে তদন্তের জন্য আমাদের দলনেত্রী ইতিমধ্যে সুপ্রিম কোর্টের নজরদারিতে একটি উচ্চ পর্যায়ে তদন্তের কথা জন্য তিনি অনুরোধ জানিয়েছেন। আমাদের দলও সেই দাবি সংসদের উভয় কক্ষে করতে চায়। আমরা পূর্ণাঙ্গ আলোচনা চাই, স্ট্রাকচার ডিসকাশন চাই, কিন্তু সেই ডিসকাশনকে এড়িয়ে যাওয়া হচ্ছে। সংসদে যদি এই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়ে আলোচনা না হয়, তাহলে কোথায় আলোচনা হবে? কফি হাউসে না রাস্তার উপরে? সংসদ হচ্ছে গণতন্ত্রের সর্বোচ্চ পীঠ। সেই সর্বোচ্চ পীঠে যদি আলোচনা করতে দেওয়া না হয়, তাহলে সেটা শুধু দুর্ভাগ্যজনক না, এটা গণতান্ত্রিক রীতিনীতির বহির্ভূত একটি ব্যাপার। আমার কাছে এখানে রাজ্যসভার রুলস রয়েছে, কনস্টিটিউশনও রয়েছে। কনস্টিটিউশন ইজ দ্য মাদার অফ all statutes and rules and standing orders. Constitution says under Article 105, sub-article 1, it says, one line I would like to quote, it categorically states that subject to the provisions of this Constitution and to the rules and standing orders regulating the procedure of Parliament, there shall be freedom of speech in Parliament. So Constitution has assured freedom of speech in Parliament, and our Rajya Sabha rules 267, one line I would like to quote, that any member may, with the consent of the chairman, move that any rule may be suspended in its application, etc. Now, for the past 4 days, including today, consecutive 4 days, our party Trinamool Congress is demanding in both houses of Parliament for a structured discussion on Pegasus software smuggling or whatever, the supply of this software to Indian government or agencies. Now, so many names have appeared. The judiciary has not been spared. The election commission has not been spared. Political personalities have not been spared. Journalists have not been spared. So on and so forth. Therefore, a situation has arisen which the nation has never witnessed. We are as if we are living in a surveillance state or a police state. So under these rules, we wanted the discussion. The unfortunate part is that for these 4 days, the rules were not adhered to, and only thing that the discussion is not allowed. There must be some justification while passing an order that no discussion cannot be held. There shall be some justification. No justification was given. If any order is a non-speaking order, then it is ex facie illegal and arbitrary. So we hold the decision as arbitrary and illegal ex facie. Secondly, when a member cannot exercise his right or her right under these rules of the rule book or the provisions of the Constitution, then one member may become unruly. It cannot be helped, and it is not a fact that it never happened in Parliament. In both houses of Parliament, such thing happens number of times, and unnecessarily. Today, what happened with a motion seeking suspension of Dr. Shantanu Sen for the remaining days of the session has been allowed to be moved by the Honourable Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, although the matter was not listed in the list of business today. It is mandatory that a matter is to be listed in the list of business. If it is not possible for some reasons or the other, then a supplementary list of business is to be issued. Neither it was mentioned in list of business, nor any supplementary list of business was issued. Therefore, whatever has been done on the floor of the House by the Minister, it is also absolutely illegal and without any basis. The third point is, and the final point is, whenever a punishment is inflicted upon a person, he gets an opportunity of being heard. He gets an opportunity to defend himself. There is a legitimate expectation on the part of the accused that his version should also be heard. Therefore, not only the